Hi, hello, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Julia, and this is the Spiritual Bombs. I would like to welcome those who have subscribed. Thank you for supporting me. And if you're new to the community, welcome as well. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it, and it'll help get this video out more. Now, today, we're going to discuss the Spiritual Crown Alignment Kit. It's a handcrafted set designed to help you reclaim clarity, peace, and connection to your higher self. Each piece in my kit is made with intention to elevate your crown chakra and clear that energetic fog that we all seem to be carrying around lately, and help you walk in your spiritual alignment each and every day. So let's take a closer look at what's inside and how this sacred kit can help support your spiritual journey.
Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: spiritual crown alignment. It's all about finding your pathway to clarity, peace, and those moments of divine guidance that we all crave. Let's start with the crown chakra. This chakra is the highest energy center in your body, located at the very top of your head. Imagine it as your spiritual antenna, connecting you to your intuition, spiritual insights, and that inner wisdom we all possess. When this chakra gets blocked or feels foggy, you might begin to notice signs of disconnection. You could feel scattered or simply out of sync with the world around you. It's like being on a road trip with a broken GPS. Frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about something that brings clarity and harmony back into your life: the Spiritual Crown Alignment Kit. This kit is designed specifically for those women who are eager to clear that energetic fog, elevate their intuition, and walk confidently in spiritual clarity. Within this kit, you will find three meaningful components, each crafted with intention to enhance your spiritual journey. First up is the Clarity Roll-On. This beautiful blend features essential oils of frankincense, lavender, and rosemary. Picture using this delightful roll-on to anoint your temples, wrists, or even your third eye. With just a swipe, you invite focus and inner peace into your day. The comforting scents of these essential oils have calming properties that not only help ground you, but also sharpen your ability to tune into your intuition. It's like a little boost of clarity you can carry with you wherever you go. Next, we have the Spiritual Crown Charm. This special piece comes with either a clear quartz or an amethyst crystal, nestled in a luxurious velvet pouch. Crystals have been used for centuries to harness and amplify energy, and this charm is no different. Whether you choose clear quartz for clarity or amethyst for spiritual wisdom, both are meant to help keep your crown chakra open and your energy steady. Just imagine carrying around this little gem, a beautiful reminder that you are aligned with your highest self. Lastly, the kit includes an affirmation card. This isn't just any card, it's a pre-written affirmation to anchor your intention. It serves as a daily reminder to stay aligned and connected with your spiritual journey. Making affirmations a part of your routine can significantly shift your mindset, helping you manifest the clarity you seek. When you incorporate this card into your daily life, it invites a sense of purpose and intention that's truly empowering. Now, the magic of the Spiritual Crown Alignment Kit doesn't stop there. It's perfect for use during moon rituals, moments of meditation, journaling, or even during prayer. You can use it whenever you feel blocked, foggy, or disconnected from spirit. Each time you engage with these items, allow yourself to drop in, connect deeply, and feel the energies shift around you. It's essential to understand that the true power of these tools lies in your personal alignment and intention. Each kit is made to order, and your energy plays a vital role in activating its contents. When you focus your intention while using these items, you set the stage for true transformation. It's about nurturing your crown chakra and tapping into the meaningful depths of your higher self. If you're feeling ready to clear your crown, elevate your intuition, and embrace a spiritually aligned life, the Spiritual Crown Alignment Kit awaits you. Imagine exploring the vast potential of your spiritual gifts and walking through life feeling grounded, aware, and vibrant. For those interested in acquiring this transformative kit, Feel free to reach out with any questions or orders at daspiritualbombs@gmail.com or visit the Das Spiritual Bombs website. Join a community that embraces spiritual growth and nurtures the connection to the divine. Remember, your crown chakra is your connection to your highest self. Give it the love and attention it deserves. Keep it nurtured, clear, and open so you can fully embrace all the clarity, peace, and guidance that awaits you on your journey. Thank you for tuning in today, and may your path be filled with light and love.